grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason and welcome back to another daily market update video. This video you are going to want to watch until the very end because we have a lot of important stuff to stuff to go over, and I have a lot of important points to make in this video. Also, if you are missing the YouTube live streams, I know I am, I'm definitely missing doing the YouTube live streams. We are going to be going live on Twitch very soon, most likely even tomorrow if you're watching this on May 12th. Twitch link is in the description. It's free. It's the exact same as YouTube, the exact same. The live stream will be exactly the same. If you do miss it on Twitch, it will be re-uploaded to YouTube so you can watch it back just like the other ones. Also, I would like to say we have a sponsor for this video. That will be near the middle to the end of this video. There will be a sponsored review. That's enough talking. Let's get into the markets and what is happening today. Starting off, we see that the market cap of crypto is almost at $2.5 trillion. We can scroll down, we see 55k Bitcoin still waiting. Maybe there's going to be a catalyst coming to really pick this up, and it might be Facebook, and we're going to get into that. We're also going to cover Chainlink, IOTA, Shiba Inu, EOS, MoneyGram. We've got a bunch of news, so highly recommend watching till the end of this video. Ethereum 4.2 thousand, let's go. My Ethereum that I stacked up at around 2.6k is way up there. It's way up there. What else do we got here? XRP is still sitting below $1.50, still below $1.50. The only thing I care about is that it's above $1, and it's just standard for us to see XRP at $1 plus. Bitcoin Cash was also killing it. It was above 1500 the other day. What else do we have here? Stellar 66 cents. I'm gonna cover the EOS price and something very interesting about that at the near the end of this. But let's see what else is happening. Synthetics is up. I'm a fan of Synthetics. If you know, my private Discord server is called The Haven, and actually Synthetics previous name was Haven with 2 V's. So that's very interesting. H bar at 26 cents right there. That's a good entry point. That is a good entry point. If that drops to 20 cents, I will consider putting more in. But all of my buys have been at 3 cents up to like 10 to 13, I believe. I don't know. By the top gainers, let's check them out. We've got Aave up 30%. We've got Kusama. As I've said before, Kusama is my favorite coin inside of the Polkadot ecosystem, as well as Aleph.im. Those are 2 coins that are my favorite from the Polkadot ecosystem. Zcash is really running. What else do we got? Matic is above $1. It's at $1.16. That's great. Let's move into the Lunar Crush charts. I want to keep including these as charts inside of every video because I think it's really important, especially right now, to watch how social media impacts the crypto markets. Bitrue coin is the #1 on the social charts today, and Bitcoin's actually getting up there. Chainlink, we're going to cover Chainlink in a second. The coin of the day is Aave. And that's actually pumping right there. Now let's move into the Bitcoin dominance. It was just at 42, but now it's up at 43.05. We're dropping 43.05. I think I want to hit that 35 level and just see what happens to the market. But we'll see what happens with Bitcoin dominance. I think it's important to watch this and really see where we're headed. All you need to see is that we're in a downtrend from January 1 till now. That's all you need to see. It's just keep lower lows every time, just all the way down. But let's move on to this tweet right here from Documenting IOTA. He says, IOTA has no fees. IOTA has no miners. IOTA has no bottlenecks. IOTA has no blocks. IOTA has no chains. It's like a project from another planet. Now, I am holding a bunch of IOTA. As you know, it's one of my favorite coins. Let me give him a follow, actually. And yeah, IOTA's great. IOTA's great. Moving into the Chainlink news right here. This is on chainlinktoday.com. Chainlink and Filecoin work to fulfill DeFi's $887 trillion promise. So basically, there's a new report from the World Economic Forum right here that literally says or estimates that 866 trillion could eventually be transferred from traditional financial markets to blockchain-based DeFi. I totally agree. That's 860 trillion. Now, where is that money gonna flow into? I know that these people are highlighting Chainlink and Filecoin, which I think will do very good, but think about this, $866 trillion is enough for 800 assets to be a $1 trillion asset. That is huge. That is huge right there. So you want to be in the projects that get the most of that money flowing into them. Ripple's partner, Accenture, writes paper with Swift on CBDCs. Now this is actually big too. So the Ripple partner, Accenture, not Ripple, but the partner, it has written a paper with Swift about CBDCs. And basically, here's a quote from it. The concept of CBDCs moving cross-border is complex. It is technically achievable with various technologies, but the meaning and usage of a CBDC outside its native jurisdiction is unclear. So basically, this is all we need to see. If a Ripple partner is writing a paper with Swift, like, that's very clear. That's very clear right there. Hopping over to our sponsor for today's video, I want to give a big thank you to Curate right here, and a big shout out to Curate. We're going to do a little review on their platform and everything that they're doing in the NFT space. As you guys know, I would never take a sponsorship from some kind of shitcoin. I only take sponsorships from extremely credible and real projects that have real stuff going on, and this is one. So here is the website right here, curate.style, and this is the first all-in-one NFT marketplace app. Now, I've literally been looking for something that has everything in one. Like, you know when you're on an exchange and there's certain coins that aren't there? Like, everything should be in one, and these guys have it for NFTs right here. Buy, sell, and even earn. The unique thing about Curate is it's actually gasless. Yes, you heard me correctly. World's first gasless NFT marketplace. Do you know what that means? That means when you buy an NFT or sell an NFT or do anything, you do not need to pay gas fees. Personally, when I was dropping my NFTs back in the day, a few months ago, everyone had to pay extremely high gas fees. And this Curate platform is gasless. Let me tell you the way that they do this. They actually have their own blockchain called X-Chain, and this allows for gasless transactions by using their XCur coin, their XCur token. Here is the XCur token. It's currently ranked 634, so this is a small cap. 43 million only. Look at that supply though. Max supply is 8 million only. 8.5 million. So that's making it a $7 coin right now. It was up pretty big yesterday. I believe, yeah, it's been spiking. The price is pretty volatile right now. Let's see what type of exchanges it's on. You've got KuCoin, you've got Uniswap, Gate.io. You can see all markets right here. It's on Stex as well. Many people have Stex and 1inch. Now, some of the tokenomics for this is over 50% of the supply is held by holders. So you can see 5.2 million is in our hands, the holders. And then 1.3 million is TrustSwap. As you know, TrustSwap has also sponsored the channel before. 1.5 million burned, and you can see all the tokenomics right here in this pie graph. Also, they do have some pretty good partners right here. Shopping.io, Coin Payments, which is a huge platform. They've got Travala. They've even got Amazon Web Service Activate. They've been accepted into this program. and they've got Trust Swap as well. They've got a really great roadmap as well. You can go to their website, curate.style, and check their roadmap out. Looks very good to me. Now, if you want to learn more, you can go to their Telegram channel right here, or you can learn more on their Twitter and give them a follow there. Now, the final thing I want to show you is how you can actually earn. This is a little teaser video on how you can actually earn by with their NFTs. Staking multipliers, so you can literally stake and get multipliers, and as you can see, there's gold, premium, and platinum right there. So that's very interesting. But shout out to Curate for sponsoring this portion of the video. All right, moving back into the news, we've got this video from Modern CTO Podcast, and I want to play this, or at least part of it, and show you what the Stellar, who is this guy? The Stellar co-founder and chief scientist says about Stellar. So listen to this. This is crazy.
We want Stellar to be like email for money, basically. So basically, a lot of people who send email, they use Gmail, right? You know, that's fine. So Google might own some like large fraction of the email, you know, in some countries. But the point is that email itself is an open protocol. And so if you want to use Yahoo Mail, or you want to use, you know, Hotmail or whatever, like you can use that as well. And they can sort of interoperate with all these other email providers. And also, if you're crazy like me,
So then he says he made his own email thing. He made his own email software, or a protocol, sorry. So basically, they're trying to make Stellar email for money, and you can't be shut down and at the mercy of one of these big corporations. So I think that's really cool that he's saying the Stellar network is email for money. I really like that. Moving into this, Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg might have just made a grand entrance into the Bitcoin market. So there's some code here that we could kind of decode. Actually, there's a lot of code here, but Mark Zuckerberg has posted this picture right here. Basically, he's got two goats right here, and he says, "My goats, Max and Bitcoin." Well, guess what? This could either be saying that he's a Bitcoin maximalist, or it could be saying that Bitcoin has reached its max. Bitcoin is maxed. It's maxed out. This is its max. But who knows? Who knows? And then it's kind of funny seeing Bitcoin struggle to go crazy right now, and struggle to keep 60K above for some weeks. But that's very interesting. Mark Zuckerberg trying to break in there. Now, MoneyGram has actually betrayed Ripple in a way, or betrayed XRP. They are now working with Bitcoin here, and letting people cash out in Bitcoin, and letting people use Bitcoin with MoneyGram, and they paired up with CoinMe. As we know, Ripple and MoneyGram were previous partners, which is super weird that they're now going for Bitcoin. Does not make sense, but who knows? That's very interesting right there. Shiba Inu, trends in Chinese social media, Indonesia mulls crypto tax. So basically, I just wanted to put this in here, forecast, because of this Shiba Inu trending in Chinese social media. So as you know, I had some random Binance coin laying around. I put it in Shiba Inu for fun, and I'm already up extremely high. Here is something so crazy about EOS right here. Here is something so crazy about EOS. EOS price analysis. EOS exploded 60% as Block 1 secures 10 billion in funding. Watch this. So this is my video from a month ago on INX. This is my video from a month ago, and watch what I'm saying and pointing out in this video. Hold on, right there. Watch this. Litecoin, XRP, and EOS for some reason. Another thing you can notice is they have EOS sitting right here at $13, which is, you guys see that? Right on there, they had EOS sitting at $13 on their website. It's very crazy, because if we go to EOS, it's at $3.77, but they have chosen to put it at $13 right there. Also, a developer. So, and then I took a screenshot of EOS at actually $13, and I got a bunch of DMs saying that people bought EOS when I saw this. They bought it a month ago, and now they're up from $2 or $3.77 to $13. That's really crazy that manifested that quick on their website. Coinbase app has surpassed TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. This is how you know investing is trending right now. Investing is the cool thing to do right now. It's blowing up. The Coinbase app was above TikTok on the App Store. Super crazy. And then this I just wanted to throw in here for fun. This is XRP ODL Rosetta. This was made by, hold on, let me get his name. Who made this? This guy made this. Short the FOMO, I believe, made this. I'm sorry if he didn't, but whoever made this, we appreciate you. Basically, you can look at the live transactions that are happening on the XRP ledger. Look at that. That's a really cool resource right there. I love things like that. That is all we have for the video. If you've made it to the end, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a subscribe, like, comment, share this video. Make sure to stay tuned on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and now Twitch is where you're gonna catch the live streams. But thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.
Grow, still can't stop it.